Last time on The Build.
Okay, we're getting ready to work on our gauges. We're going to be converting the stock gauge panel here. So instead of a clock, we'll have a tack, and instead of the idiot lights, we're going to have gauges in place. So let's get started. Here's the gauge that's going in place. As you can see, this is the part that needs to stick through. That's why this material has to be cut out. Once that's cut out, then we just mark our mounting holes, drill them, and we should be able to mount it in place. Make sure we got the clearance. Yep, there we go. Okay, mark the holes that we have to drill for the mounting. Okay, here's our replacement tack. It's going to go in place of the clock, right dead center. It should be just lay in place and screw it on. Okay, we got our gauges in, and we're ready to move to the next step. Good thing to do right now would be just to clean up the old gauge. Just wipe it down. As you can see, you can get plenty of dust on there. Next step is our new lens. Basically lay in place, like so. Well, these are your basically your turn signal indicator lenses. Back in the day, you basically had white bulbs, and you had to have a tint to make them look green, and those are actually glass. Little circles just pressed into these cardboard tubes. All right, we got our gauge cluster now bolted to the back of the dash. As you can see, they look very cool, factory. And as well as we got our switch panel in place instead of the radio.